Now we need to do the first project to my car, and that is fixing those horrible looking headlights. So there is lots of hazing, as you can see, and that definitely doesn't help for the look of the car. What I'm gonna be using is the 3M headlight restoration kit. So that is how it looks, and also because it is not included in the kit, I'm gonna use that lamp protect. It is a headlights protection coat, so this is gonna seal the headlights after I have sand them and polish them. Also, what you're gonna need is a drill to which you're going to attach the that rotating disc. In one of the later steps you will also need some water. Okay, let's start. First we need to mask some of the bumper and the bonnet. Actually, these are the fenders here, so we need to mask the fenders and the bumper. So we're going to start with that, and the 3M have kindly provided us with some masking tape. Okay, what we're looking for is an even haze, and as you can see, I'm not quite there yet. Here is a little bit brighter, so I need to redo that area, and I'm gonna do that now. I think I'm done with the 500 grid on that side, so now I'm gonna switch to the 800. Okay, 800 is on. Okay, now we're done with the 800. That is how the headlight looks at the moment. So the scratches, I don't know if the camera is going to be able to pick them up. The scratches are much finer. What you're looking for is to get rid of the more deeper scratches from the 500 grit sanding paper. Okay, and now we need to move on to the next one. That's the Trizac 3000. Now for this one, what they say is that I've got to dampen the headlight. What we're gonna do is use the spray and spray the headlight. Like so. There is no more of the deep scratches, but I can still see some of the hazing, and that is a little bit annoying. I'm gonna do one more pass with the 3000 sandpaper, and then I'm gonna do the polishing. And I'm gonna use the polishing pad, which again I'm gonna attach to the front of the drill, like so, making sure it's right in the middle. The compound that they have provided us with, which is this one, I'm gonna put just one drop, the size of a pea. I don't know if you're gonna be able to spot the difference from here, just looking at that headlight, but it does look so much better. Okay, so that is how it looks now. I'm gonna get you to the other one. So see the state of this one. You can pick it up. All that hazing. And now let's go to this one. In my opinion, that was well worth it. And now what I'm gonna do is the other side. It is time for the last step on that headlight as well, which is the buffing part. We need to do one final buff after we applied the clear coat, the sealant. I'm not sure how well you're gonna be able to pick up, as it got quite late now, but the lights look so much better, so much cleaner. After I applied the sealant, I did again one last buff with a clean microfiber towel, like so. We did the same on the other one, and yeah, believe me, that is one hell of a difference.